Now, we are also learning that Vistara flight UK 028 operating from Frankfurt to Mumbai on 16th of October this year was subject to a security threat that was received on social media. As per protocol, all relevant authorities were immediately informed. The aircraft safely landed at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport in Mumbai and later was taken to an isolation bay where all the customers were disembarked. In fact, we are also told that there was full cooperation with the security agencies to complete the mandatory security checks. And at Vistara, safety and security of the customers and crew and aircraft is of utmost importance. That is what Vistara put out as far as its statement is concerned. But there was another threat that we are talking about that in fact led to this entire call. My colleague Preeti Sompura has more details about this latest threat. Preeti, over to you.
Yes, Vistara flight operating from Frankfurt to Mumbai received a threat, and a threat was received on the social media. So after the flight landed safely on the Mumbai, it was taken, all the passengers are safe in the flight. Even now the flight of the Vistara is on the isolation bay, and a thorough inquiry is conducted by the DGCA as well as by the local police on regarding this matter. Because earlier also the Mumbai police has got a trace regarding this around more than 12 flights operating from the Mumbai, and after that one teenage was arrested in this matter. So the inquiry is also going on whether it is the same teenage threat or not. So now after this incident took place on the 16th of October, now all the passengers are safe in this flight.
Right, Preeti, thank you so much for all the latest when it is about this latest piece of information that concerns the Vistara Airlines. With that, we are shifting our focus. Let's in fact get you some news